Next, we're going to talk about reports and how we're going to highlight specific fields. So I'm going to open up my report and edit it. I have already done just a bit of work. I have created a big grid and inside 3 smaller grids, one with just a single cell, one with 2 columns and 1 row, another one and another one. In this case, the one cell will be my heading. The next 3 will be conditions, wind speed, and cloud cover. This is just an example with an aerial report. My data sets are on the left hand side, cloud cover, conditions, and wind speed. I've added them to the report as well. So what I do is I just pull in the specific table into that area and I click OK. Wind speed the same. And conditions for the last one. Now I go ahead and I change titles to be more legible. I can also go and change the format of this specific. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to first of all highlight these 2 rows using control one at a time, and you're going to say visibility and you're going to hide these elements. Same with for all outputs. Same with the footer, hide elements. You're going to do this for each table because you don't want them to show up in the final report. Okay, so now we need to be able to highlight these if and when data is inputted into here. So I click on poor and I say highlight at the bottom and I click a condition so that if the count landing of poor is equal to one, then apply this font of Arial, which is fine. I want the color to be red, I want it to be bold, I want the background color to be silver, and I want the size to be 18. Okay. Go ahead and you do this for all of the others. What that will allow you to do is that if this specific field is filled in with the value of 1, which means that it is true, then it will go and apply these styles. Okay, so if I save this, it will then, when I run the report on a custom date, for example, if the conditions has been filled out, it will highlight it like that. Just an example of when I run a report, I've created a daily flight report here, same concept here. If I run this report for a specific date, then you will see that it highlights the specific conditions for that specific day. In this case, it's a daily flight report that gets run at the end of every single day, so the takeoff conditions, wind speed, and cloud cover will then be filled in as per the data.